Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make vanilla ice cream in my ice cream maker. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Mix everything until the sugar is completely dissolved. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. So since the weather is starting to warm up here in Texas, I've been making a lot of ice cream. I know it's a little early. It's still kind of cold at night, but I've been enjoying some vanilla ice cream, and I asked you guys over on Instagram if you would like to see how I make it, and you said yes, so here it is for you guys. For those of you who haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my story over there, so follow me if you don't want to miss it. I'm just going to pour the mixture into my bowl, and this will be ready in 20 to 25 minutes. That's how long my ice cream maker takes to make ice cream, but be sure to follow your manual for your ice cream maker. By the way, I had my bowl in the freezer so it's completely frozen. So on the days when I'm not making ice cream, I just keep the bowl in there, and then when I'm ready to make ice cream, it's frozen and ready. Don't get me wrong, I love store-bought ice cream, but making your own ice cream is even better because you can control the ingredients. You know, you don't have all those fillers and gums in your ice cream, so it's just better for you. Plus, it's just fun to make your own ice cream, you know, just to sit there and watch it turn into ice cream right in front of your eyes. I love that. Look how beautiful this is, and that took no time at all, and it's just so good. I'm just going to put this in my container and then put it in the freezer overnight, and then tomorrow I'll show you what it looks like. Well, this is what it looks like the next day, and would you just look at this? Look how creamy it is. Oh my goodness, it's just so creamy and so good. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.